Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to our very first Made with Love video for 2026. Today I have a really easy insert card for you. This is my House of Love insert card. How adorable is this? My inspiration for this one was the Frederickson's house from Disney and Pixar's movie Up, if you know that house with the balloons. And I did this with the heart balloons and just all the different decorations around. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I included an envelope as well. Now, just like all my insert cards, this can be made on any Cricut cutting machine ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4 and even the Cricut Venture. Your materials are going to change a little bit depending on which machine you use, so let's go ahead and check out the materials that we're going to need. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, a pen in your choice of color, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This file is part of Made with Love 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2026 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. It is going to look like this, but don't worry, we're going to convert everything in just a minute and it will look just like it's supposed to. We have some converting to do. Let's go ahead and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And we have some converting to do to the card base. This top layer is going to be your score line, so come over to the operation menu and change that to score. The second layer is going to be all of the pen work that we want the machine to draw on. So come back up to the operation menu, change that to pen. You can change the pen color if you wish right here. Come back and highlight the group and attach. Once you've done those conversions, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score line for the card base. And now I'll open up the card, take our insert and feed that through the slits on the card base. And there is our cute little card. I'm going to set that to the side. We can go ahead and take our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this really fun to put together? You could totally change up the vibe with a different colored pen and a different colored insert. It's just really, really cute, and I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.